I'm on my way to the north overlook and I see there's a little deer there. I don't see any others, but I bet there's some more in this area. She's not running off yet. I'm getting closer and closer. Now she's taking off. There she is. It's dark this morning and it's starting to rain. Still don't see any others. I don't think that's a young doe. I think that's an older doe. I'm not going to follow her down there. I'm at the North Overlook, zooming in on downtown Louisville and Churchill Downs. It's a little foggy in that area. I'm on the Boy Scout Bridge Trail now. It's raining right now. Haven't seen anything on this trail yet. Probably won't. A deer probably up there bedded down somewhere. I'm hiking around Summit Field now. Haven't seen anything yet. It's dark and it's raining, so I'm not expecting to see much up here. This dried up pond definitely needs the rain. I see a deer up here. Looks like a doe. I'm looking around and I don't see any others. Doesn't mean they're not up here. I just don't see them. Oh, there's the others. There's 3 of them up here. That's what I was expecting. I wished it wasn't so dark. And I wished it wasn't raining. I think that's all the deer I'm going to see in Summit Field this morning. But I'm happy with that. I wasn't expecting to see any. Found a dead mole up here. I see them all the time. I don't know what kills them. I'm finishing up in Summit Field. It stopped raining. Checking out this pond before I leave. Nothing going on here. Time for me to go do my off-trail hiking. I'm leaving Summit Field now. Time to go do some real hiking. Still a little bit of snow left. Not much. See a deer, a buck over there. Where is he going? He won't stop and pose for me. He must be pursuing a doe. he goes. I don't think I'm going to get close enough to him to get a good picture. He took off in this direction. I see him, but there's a lot of trees in between us. There he is, and there's a deer rub right there. Maybe he made it. There he is down there. He just won't turn around. I'm losing him now. Well, I lost him. He took off in that direction. And that's not the area I want to hike this morning. I just saw a whitetail run off in front of me, but I couldn't tell what it was. There's two deer in front of me. Those are does. This one's coming closer to me to get a better look. There's the other one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. They're taking off now. Oh, there's the buck that found the buck. I was wondering where he was. There's the buck. He's on the trail of those two does. There's that buck that's down there. A lot of hills in this area. And a lot of wet leaves, so I have to be careful. They're pretty far away from me now, so I probably won't catch up to them. But I'm going to try. There's the buck. He's headed up in the direction those two does ran off. He's looking for them. There they are, running off. And he's in pursuit. Now they're running off over there. There he goes. I'm not gonna follow him anymore. I'm gonna hike down this way. Those deer can go up and down those steep hills a lot easier than I can. Following that buck around wore me out. He likes those hills. I like them too, but I like to take them at my own pace. Now I'm back in the area I was hiking before I started following that buck in the opposite direction. Looked up the hill, found a big buck. Nice size buck. Hope he's still up here. Where'd he go? There's a doe. Maybe that's what he was after. Hopefully he's still in this area somewhere. No, there's that buck down there. I didn't hear him run off. He's in that real thick brush right now. Maybe he'll get out in the open. Come on, get out of that thick brush. Doesn't he know that doe's over here waiting for him? There's that doe. Wondering why her boyfriend ran off. He's pretty far away from me right now. But I bet he's going to come back over here. Come on back over here. Well, I guess he's not coming back over here. He's headed off in that direction. Unless he's circling around. He could be circling around. But I don't have time to wait for him. His girlfriend's still over here waiting for him. He'll be back in a little bit. I bet he's circling around. I bet he'll be back over here pretty soon. I wish they had a little more time to wait for him. But I have things to do today. I think I got some pretty good pictures of him on this dark rainy day. It's sprinkling right now. I have one more hill I'm going to hike up and then I'm going to head to my car. I made it up this hill. Now on my way to my car. Well, I don't see any deer up here now, but I know they've been here. I'm coming from that direction. I'm going to start down this hill. I'm not going to hike up any more hills this morning. I was expecting it to rain a lot more than it did. I lucked out. There was a lot of deer activity in this area last week and the week before last. But not much going on this morning. I haven't seen any deer in this area. But that's subject to change at any time. You just never know where the deer are going to show up. I had a pretty good deer morning. I won't be too disappointed if I don't find any more. This is the area where I recently found a whole herd of bucks. But I don't see any this morning. I'm almost down the Rundle Road. I'm almost finished hiking and it's starting to rain again. So that worked out pretty good for me. This is another area where I recently found a herd of bucks. But there's nobody home this morning. I remember this tree. It's one of the biggest trees in the park. Made it to Rundle Road. Time to go home. I found 4 golf balls walking on the horse trail on my way back to my car. Made it back to my car. This old man's ready to go home.